Welcome to our breakdown of the Almanac of Naval Ravikant by Eric Jorgensen. Naval Ravikant, an entrepreneur, investor, and modern philosopher, has shared his wisdom on building wealth, achieving happiness, and finding purpose. In this video, we'll explore some of his most profound ideas and how you can apply them in your life. Naval Ravikant is the founder of AngelList, a highly successful venture capitalist and a thinker whose insights have resonated with millions. His core philosophy centers around two things: wealth and happiness. But for Naval, wealth is more than money, it's freedom. And happiness? It's a skill you can learn. Let's start with wealth. Naval teaches that true wealth comes from ownership. Whether it's owning a business, property, or intellectual property, the key is to have something that works for you, even when you're not actively working. He says, you're not going to get rich renting out your time. In other words, simply trading time for money, like in a 9-to-5 job, won't make you wealthy. Instead, you need to create or invest in things that scale, products, businesses, or investment. One of the most powerful concepts Naval discusses is leverage. Leverage is the force multiplier of wealth creation. With the internet, coding, and media, your work can be amplified beyond just your efforts. Think about it: software, for example, allows you to build once and sell endlessly. Another critical piece of advice is to build specific knowledge. This is knowledge that is highly valuable but hard to replicate. It often comes from your passion, something you enjoy so much that it feels like play. He says, play long-term games with long-term people. Patience and consistent effort are your greatest allies. Naval emphasizes long-term thinking. Wealth, like everything valuable in life, compounds over time. Whether it's in relationships, knowledge, or investments, the power of compounding is extraordinary. He says, play long-term games with long-term people. Patience and consistent effort are your greatest allies. Now, let's shift to happiness. According to Naval, happiness is not something that happens to you. It's a choice, a skill you can develop. He teaches that happiness comes from freeing yourself from unnecessary desires. He often says, desire is a contract you make with yourself to be unhappy until you get what you want. The fewer desires you have, the easier it is to be happy. Naval advocates for cutting down your desires to what truly matters, focusing on things that bring you peace. Another key to happiness is solitude. Naval believes spending time alone helps you understand yourself better and cultivate happiness from within. In the age of constant distractions, learning to enjoy solitude is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. Naval's philosophy isn't just about wealth or happiness, it's about how to live a fulfilling life. He says, life is a single-player game. You're responsible for your own success, happiness, and peace. Stop playing status games or competing with others. Instead, focus on your own journey, continually improving yourself. So, what can we take away from the Almanac of Naval Ravikant? It's simple: focus on building wealth that creates freedom, develop happiness as a skill by minimizing desires, and live life on your own terms. Naval shows us that wealth and happiness aren't mutually exclusive, they're deeply connected, and by mastering one, you can find the other. you found this summary helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos that help you master wealth, happiness, and success. And if you haven't already, check out the Almanac of Naval Ravikant for more life-changing wisdom.